and I'm filming Mark doing straight bar curl and tricep extension. The first thing we're going to do is step forward to the bar. Make sure our feet are shoulder width. We're going to bend down, pick up the bar. And the starting position is hands are going to be about outside your hips. Palms facing forward. And now we're going to curl the bar towards our chest. And we're going to do 10 times. And pull the handle down so that your elbows are by your side. And from that position, you're going to relax your shoulders. I'm going to push the bar down to the top of your thigh 10 times. 1. Move slightly forward, keeping your elbows by your side. Yeah. There you go. Better, better. 2 more. 1 more.